all dignitaries sitting over here in this independent program, the respected teachers, students, and all senior citizens present in this program, including mothers, sisters, brothers, fathers of this area, my dear students and all citizens of this area, I convey my greetings on the occasion of 78th Independence Day to all of you. We all know the British has entered in the name of East India Company in preview of trade. Gradually, all the emperors and zamindars were pressurized to the engulfed under British rule. Slowly, the British started their inhuman torture upon the people of India. Thereafter, all the valuable products of India, like valuable agricultural products, even gems, were exported to their country, that is Great Britain. At this hour, it is not possible to explain the cruel, inhuman torture practiced by British Empire to the citizen of India. During the British era, with the cruel history, books available, every harsh incident can be recalled. The first revolt took place in the year of 1857 by the Mongol Pandey against East India Company. However, Mr. Pandey was sentenced to death, but triggered the ultimate revolt for independence of India. Gradually, the fire